Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video I wanted to share with you some of the outfits I wore when we spent our vacation in Mexico. So I thought this would be a fun video to kind of do. I didn't film a ton of my outfits and I filmed them very kind of like vlog style, so I'm going to share with you that, but I'm also going to talk you through some of them. And at the end I'm going to talk you through like my mentality of dressing on vacation and all of that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and jump on into it. So first I wanted to share with you, we stayed at Aspiran, which is a beautiful resort in Cabo. We pretty much always go to Cabo. I think we've gone to Cancun once. This was my third time going there and it is top tier, the most amazing service and everything you will ever experience. In Mexico, we went with a group of friends. So most of these outfits that you're gonna see are when the kids were all out and everybody was out, because I don't know, I feel weird and I never want to put other people's children on display. So you will see Arlo a couple times and he was hating every minute of it. I don't know what it is, but he is just not friendly with the camera anymore. So I tried to block him out as much as possible too. But nonetheless, we went to Cabo. We spent Sunday through Sunday there, so 7 days. And it was stunning. So first thing I wore, this was like our first dinner night, our first full day into dinner. So I had to show you some of the clips that Scott made of dinner. We did go out for dinner most nights, but he cooked some amazing dinners. I think he cooked 2 amazing dinners. So the first thing, I wore linen everywhere. I wore linen in replace of any comfy outfit because linen was my best friend. So linen shorts, linen tops, obsessed. So wore a ton of linen. And then, yeah, this is what I wore for our amazing steak dinner. Scott went all out for this and it was phenomenal. Next, we did a ton of pooling. We pretty much were at the pool every single day. Like I said, we were traveling with Arlo, who was 4, and then our friends have a 7 and 9-year-old. So we were just going to the pool the whole time, which was awesome. So you guys saw in my recent Zara / H&M haul, I featured this green bathing suit and I'm obsessed with it, and this little black hat I also got from H&M. So cute. And I love this little sarong. I've had this one from Cupshe for forever, and I made these really cute beach charm bracelets. I actually brought them with us so that all the kids can make one, and it was so cute. Arlo wore his around for the whole week. It was awesome. So I made mine into an anklet, but they have so many cute little charms. I'll throw in the ones that I purchased from Amazon down below, but I highly recommend bringing something like that. It's a fun souvenir because I know if you have kids that are between the age of 4 and 9, they want to make or buy things constantly, so it's even more special when they get to buy it or make it themselves instead of just buy it. So I don't know, I thought it was a really fun little thing to do one night to just kind of wind down, plus have a cute little beach bracelet. So I love that. I wore mine around my ankle and it was cute. So next, we did a boat ride. So we went down to Cabo San Lucas and into like the town place and went on a clear boat. I definitely recommend the clear boat over the glass bottom boat. You would think it's the opposite, but the clear boat is completely clear. The glass bottom is like sectioned and it's kind of up. It's not good. We did that last year and this year was so cool. Highly recommend checking that out. It's very, very affordable, honestly, and we got to see a sea lion hop on the back of a fisherman's boat, which was awesome. That was epic. So for this, I just wore a simple pair of denim shorts and a white linen long sleeve. When you're on the boat, we were a little bit toasty. I wore a long sleeve just so that I could kind of hide from the sun, but denim shorts were a go-to. These denim shorts from Abercrombie are some of my favorites. They do kind of ride up a little bit, so they weren't the most comfortable thing in the world, but I only brought 1 pair of denim shorts and these were it, and yeah, I love them. But I'm still on the hunt for another pair of denim shorts. I returned the Zara ones because of the Abercrombie ones that I showed in the video, and I think I don't love these ones as much. So I think I do want another pair of like looser fitting denim shorts. I just struggle because I've talked about this in the past. I wear a lot of baggy loose tops. So having baggy loose bottoms can look a little frumpty dumpty. So we've got to figure out that balance, but I'm going to find it. Next, we went to, I think, what night was this? Oh, this is the night we went to The Office, which is okay. I confused The Office with Mango Deck next door. It's very party, very cool. I don't know, it's by the water, it's pretty. So we went to the, first we went to Pedregal, I believe that's the name of that resort, because friends that we were with, the wife, she had, her architecture firm designed Pedregal and like the entranceway, because she works for an architecture firm, and they also did the interior at Esperanza, but nonetheless, they traveled with us. They're from Texas. They're Scott's best friends since like college, I want to say. So we went to the Agave bar there, which was a really pretty change of scenery. So we went there, so pretty, right on the water, had a drink there, and then went over to the office. So I went with a very like beachy sort of look. I did my hair I used this beach wave spray from Day, which was really nice. I wore these super cute blue sunglasses that Scott thought were like the coolest things in the world, which I thought he would hate, but I felt like they brought out the blue in this like blue striped embroidered shirt that I got from Zara. In love with. I did not wear a real bra this entire trip. I just wore skin bralettes. I cannot tell you how much I love them. Yeah, I brought a real bra, didn't wear it. Love these skin bralettes. Nonetheless, I feel like it's an easy way because you don't see your bra, and if you see a bralette, it's less like, I don't know, in your face than seeing a bra. I don't know, in my mind anyways. And then I went with my white linen pants and a cute pair of sandals. Perfection. This outfit was very breezy. I've been loving, instead of tucking, you know how my like thing was like tucking one side of my button up or tucking the full button up? I've been loving buttoning up towards the top and letting this bottom like flow out. So cute, very beachy. Love this little wicker bag, and of course I wore my little charm bracelet. Next, another pool look. Again, this was like the easiest for me to film because people were already out of the pool and I just like hung back for a second. But this bathing suit from Abercrombie, my obsession. I love this little like half up clip thing I did with this yellow clip that I wore all vacation. Same sarong, super cute, very beachy and blue, and I loved it. I love the little string ties. But love this look, very, very nice. And I was starting to work on my tan there. I don't know, do I look tanner? I feel like I look tanner. Anyway, next up we have when we went to San Jose, which Thursday night they do the art walk, which is a really pretty fun thing to do. So we had reservations at La Revolution, which we went last year and loved it way more last year than this past time. It was still great, like great company, great atmosphere, loved all that. But we had drinks at this place called Lumber, I'm not sure, but that place I wish we had eaten at instead of La Revolution. But we had drinks there because Scott and his friend did like this tequila tasting, which at our resort, which was epic, and they told them to grab a drink there. So went there. I went with a fun, kind of darker more outfit with a black button up. I wore a ton of button ups, if you can't tell, and then a fun pattern pants. I got these from H&M. I think they're supposed to be kind of like a bikini cover up, but I loved this outfit. Very simple, very basic. I specifically wanted this white dress that I ordered from Lulu's, which I need to get from my mailbox. It did not come in time, so this was kind of my pivot, and honestly, I'm so happy I did. It was perfect, flowy, but fun, I don't know, different outfit for an art walk, so I loved this. I paired it with like a little green emerald-y sort of necklace, some silver earrings, and this little clutch that I got from Target. So cute, love this outfit. And then I threw on my little espadrilles, which were perfect for walking. I did bring a pair of heels. I don't know why I did that because I don't wear heels, but I thought maybe, but that was a waste. So there's that. The next day, I just wanted to show you the outdoor shower at the spa because we went to the spa, which was epic. Besides that, I didn't film anything else in the spa because people are a la naked, you know? They're not, it's not a place to film, okay? Next, we went over to our last day. Again, this is not anything specific, but our last day, not our last day. Yeah, Saturday was technically our last day because we left Sunday. Our friends were leaving though. We went over to Flora Farms, which is again another highlight. We did a farm tour, which was stunning. And then there I wore those same denim shorts and a little white short sleeve button up, and I wore a little like flower scarf in my hair because it was Flora Farms, you know, and the cutest earrings, which I'm wearing. Can you see these little guys right here? I got so many glass earrings while I was there. They're so pretty. These are hummingbirds. I have a pair of octopus, goldfish, seahorses, and flowers. The first night Scott got me the flowers and the octopus. Octopi, I don't know I don't know. On the resort, they had like a little booth there for the taco night fiesta, but he dropped it accidentally and cracked them. But when we were out at the art walk, they had a bunch more and they were so much more affordable. So we bought a bunch and I'm obsessed with them. So I wore my little flower ones to the Flora Farms and I thought that was such a pretty little outfit. Very, very cute. And Arlo again did not want to be filmed, but I bought a new pair of Birkenstocks for this trip and loved them, wore the heck out of them. Very comfortable, easy shoe. But the food at Flora Farms was, and always is, top tier incredible. So if you are in that area, check it out. There was a resort that I was looking at, and I wanted to get a drink there Thursday night, but we didn't have time, which is Acre. It's kind of like Acre, but I think it's Acre, which was really cool. We kind of drove up near it because it's near Flora Farms. Definitely different vibes, more jungle, whereas like Esperanza is more beachy. But last night we went to La Strada, I believe. It's the pizza-ish bar at, not pizza, they have a lot of pizza, wood fire, Italian kind of vibes, restaurant at Esperanza. So we went there, so I just wore something very casual, this little like button tank thing that I think is really cute with a pair of linen pants. Loved this look, threw a sweater on because it does get chilly at night. Very casual, coastal, kind of the look I was going for. Threw on some sunnies and that was my final outfit. So yeah, basically my biggest takeaway from this trip I wanted to talk about outfits wise. I did bring one dress and I wore it, but it was like the spa day that I did not have time to, I think that was Friday night. I didn't have time to film my outfit really quick because we were in a rush. The spa was closing and we were late for dinner. I actually have a picture. I think I'll throw that up. I have some pictures that I can throw up, but for the most part, I stuck with what I really always like. And I think some people get caught up in this, and I know I have for so long, thinking vacation needs to be these elaborate 2 pieces, bright colors, all this craziness, when in reality, it really doesn't. And you can pick up a few cute pieces, like those zebra pants that I wore for the art walk. Are those like an everyday piece for me? No, but they were very affordable and I mixed it with something that is a classic everyday piece with me, like the black button up. The other thing I can tell you is if you're trying to look put together but effortless on a vacation, I brought a lot of my like athletic dresses from Halara, which I did wear 2 of them, but for the most part, I brought 1 pair of sweat shorts and a white t-shirt, and that is something that typically I would wear all the time because it's my like comfy go-to, just easy to throw on. But instead of that, I really pushed myself to just put on my white linen shorts. I didn't show this because I wore it a million times and I'm so dumb that I didn't show it, but I wore my white linen button-up long sleeve with my white linen shorts, and I wore that daily. I wore it as like after the shower to throw on, we were eating dinner at the house, or if we were just like waiting before dinner to go somewhere, or walking down to the beach in the morning, whatever. I wore that everywhere. Linen is so nice because it's not clinging, it's very forgiving if you ate too much for dinner the night before, you know what I mean? And it's allowed to look wrinkly because it's linen and it kind of naturally unwrinkles as you're walking. It was perfect, and I cannot tell you enough to get a good pair, like a good linen set. This wasn't even a set. My top was from H&M, which I had to reorder because I left mine at the hotel, I'm pretty sure. And for them to ship it for me when it's $20 on H&M, I was like, that seems like a waste. So even though they would, but the linen shorts I got at Cotton On. Both pieces mixed perfectly, absolutely loved them. And I cannot say enough good things about a white linen set because it goes with everything. So that's what I wore as my comfy outfit. And it elevated everything, but was still super basic and super easy. And I think that's the other thing, is just like really getting out of that mindset that you need to wear this bright red 2-piece set with big heels to go to dinner. You don't. I wore like, you know, fun pants, but that's it. And it was much more in my comfort zone, and I probably felt the most comfortable and confident and styled while on this vacation than I have on any other vacation. And I love that. So if you are somebody who loves to dress up on vacation, obviously don't change that. But if you are somebody who finds that you have to shop for a whole new wardrobe every time you go on vacation, try not to. Try to find pieces that kind of plug into your wardrobe, instead of like buying a whole new wardrobe. So that was kind of my tips and tricks and are kind of what I wore. Very casual. We had a very relaxed vacation, but still it's a really nice resort. So I wanted to look like still put together, and I think I achieved that. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. A little bit different of a style of video for me, but I'm going to get back into my normal styling content you will see very soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this little, I don't know, vlog style outfits situation. And yeah, if you like it, I can continue doing them while I'm on vacations. I don't go on vacations regularly. This is probably the largest vacation we go on every year, and we kind of go all out. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what your favorite outfit was down below, and I hope you find these tips and tricks easy or helpful for looking effortless and styled on a vacation. When you want to reach for those like athletic shorts and a t-shirt, throw on linen. I swear it's just as comfortable. I was not convinced, but it is just as comfortable. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye!